CCTY Bearing is a Tier 1 supplier to the agriculture, construction, recreational vehicle, and material handling sectors, among others. From rolling elements and plain bearings to tie rods and steering assemblies, CCTY Bearing supplies the critical components in customer applications. Knowing that the parts CCTY Bearing supplies are vital to safety, we work to safeguard customers with heightened attention to detail. This focus on the details is why CCTY Bearing has been a preferred vendor of Fortune 500 companies for the past 20 years. We provide award-winning quality, exceptional engineering, a vast product range, reliable distribution network, and unparalleled value. Award-winning quality is achieved by managing to zero defect and our triple guarantee. This guarantee covers steel, process, and product. All of CCTY Bearing's products are the result of the importance we place on high-quality steel. We certify raw material suppliers through a detailed audit and qualification process. Once approved, suppliers must follow the CCTY Bearing Steel Standard, which is ensured through continuous lot testing. And we strictly adhere to all ISO and TS certifications by using electronic controls and built-in processes developed over the past 20 years. CCTY Bearing's in-house control of critical processes assures that products are given the same attention to detail at all phases of production. These phases include forging, heat treatment and sintering, turning, and grinding. The CCTY Bearing commitment to quality is extended with extra steps that include part traceability from steel lot to end product, meaning we can provide steel certification based on lot numbers, an important attribute for an industry that must pay close attention to risk management. Advanced heat treating that includes salt baths, induction, case hardening, and through hardening. It is rare to find a manufacturer with all four of these processes available and on site. These forms of heat treating are critical as they reduce part distortion and provide uniform cool down, which makes stronger, more reliable parts. The steel aspect of bearings is taken one step further with special attention given to the microstructure. We employ normalization and spheroidize annealing after forging. This time-consuming process takes nearly 24 hours to complete and ensures that 100% of CCTY Bearing steel has a uniform carbide distribution. As the example on the right shows, the dense material is more compact, allowing for a stronger steel structure that gives CCTY Bearing products a longer life and the ability to take higher impact loads. Manufacturers not utilizing this process will find a higher percentage of steel with poor carbide distribution, leading to higher failure rates. Attention to detail is also the foundation for CCTY Bearing's exceptional engineering. Customers have access to engineering support that includes more than 100 engineers to supplement internal design teams, on-site application test stands, the development of new materials that include proprietary resins and self-lubricating materials, which are designed, made, and evaluated in the CCTY Bearing plant. CCTY Bearing provides engineering design assistance that includes custom solutions that reduce weight, cost, and assembly time, flexible manufacturing that responds to production change requests, expedited product development. As a responsive manufacturer, we are able to fully engage both engineering and manufacturing teams when time is of the essence. This extra step helps us quickly react to redesigns needed on tight timelines. On-site engineering and manufacturing abilities extend to products beyond bearings. While we currently offer a number of bearing options, including deep groove ball bearings and self-lubricating bushings, we also offer a range of assemblies such as control rods and rod ends. Our engineering team is continually developing new products which customers benefit from without incurring development costs. The patented square ball universal joint is a completely redesigned U-joint that is revolutionizing the industry. Our self-lubricating bushings, clutch roller bearing, and double-row angular contact wheel bearings greatly enhance customers' product lines while keeping costs in check. CCTY bearings engineering and products are further enhanced with a strong distribution system. Maintaining on-time delivery takes a reliable distribution network and attention to the small details that ensure product flow. We strictly adhere to customer requirements to optimize internal supply chains. Plus, we can warehouse product, direct ship from China, and service aftermarket divisions. In contrast to other manufacturers, we are constantly monitoring the logistical environment so that alternative shipping routes are identified before delivery is disrupted. When our award-winning products are combined with engineering support and on-time delivery, it's easy to see CCTY bearings' unparalleled value. And we've taken extra steps to ensure that our relationship with customers is always viewed as a partnership. Our quality and cost structure allows customers to be highly competitive within their industries. We have a 750,000 square foot plant. This $50 million investment allows us to streamline production, utilize robotics, and implement new technology which is far ahead of the competition. The plant's campus houses critical processes that include forging and heat treatment, along with a bushing line that measures the length of 3 football fields. We invite you to experience it for yourself. When you audit the plant, you will see CCTY bearings capacity, engineered workflow, and production lines. You will witness the control measures that guide our processes and meet the engineering team. Partnering with companies, whether through engineering support or advanced testing requirements, is what we do best. It's part of the CCTY bearing advantage. This advantage includes expansive on-site research and development teams that conduct tests for individual applications. We are able to maintain specific load ratings and safety factor percentages, as well as preserve torques for specific sizes. Advanced manufacturing competencies include welding and plastic molding, the development of self-lubricating materials, and on-site heat treating that are controlled by processes measured against PFMEA and PPAP, and we maintain REACH ROHS requirements. Another area that makes CCTY bearing unique is the array of coating options. They range from copper and moly coating to powder plating and anodizing. We've talked a lot about critical processes that CCTY bearing conducts in-house, but what are they? They include forging, turning, heat treatment and sintering, grinding, surface treatment, welding, injection, and weaving. So all of this reverts to the question, why CCTY bearing? For the past 20 years, CCTY bearing has stood behind its commitment to customers. This commitment is exemplified in 3 parts: quality, customer support, and innovation. For CCTY bearing, quality is lead priority. We stand behind all of our products, starting with the triple guarantee that covers steel, process, and product. We are highly responsive to customer requirements with regard to inventory management, design, and production. And we solve unique application needs with innovative design and manufacturing. Whether it's engineering a new product or combining individual parts into an assembly, our engineers are always looking for new ways to challenge existing designs. When you consider the vast product line and engineering support, the why CCTY bearing becomes clear. Our products meet the highest quality standards. We have the financial capacity to meet growing demand. Our on-staff engineering team has a solid working partnership with customers. We are fully ISO and TS certified. CCTY bearing passes engineering efficiencies on to customers, providing competitively priced bearings and assemblies. And finally, our plant. It provides greater opportunities to develop new products that benefit your bottom line. As mentioned earlier, it all comes down to the details. After all, they make the design.